My brothers and my sisters, in this segment today, I want to speak a little bit about the trials, the tribulations, the hardships, and the difficulties that the prophets went through when dealing with their people. When things get really, really difficult, it's easy to feel as if though Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has forsaken us. When the weight of the world feels unbearable and life's trials crush down upon you, despair will begin to creep in. But sometimes a single good thought about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, a glimmer of hope in His mercy and His wisdom can be the turning point, the reason why your fortunes shift in unimaginable ways. To truly hold on to that hope, we must first know who Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is. My brothers and my sisters, would you all agree that you can't love something that you don't know? You can't love something that you don't know. Many of you all are maybe looking to get married or already married. And if you're not looking to get married, we've got a problem, right? You are going to pick someone out from the midst of thousands of choices, both the brother and the sister. The more you get to know about that individual, the more your desire and your love for that potential spouse increases. Agreed? Tomorrow you find out that Bushra prays at night, and you're thinking to yourself, you've hit the jackpot. And likewise, my sisters, right? You came to know about this individual. He prays at night, he fasts in the day, he's wonderful to his mother, and you're expecting, inshallah ta'ala, the same treatment. But he's always going to treat his mother better. Remember that. The point is, you can't love something that you don't know. The more you come to know about something, the more you begin to be inclined towards them. Not that I'm comparing Bushra to Allah in any way, shape or form, my brothers and my sisters. But how do we expect our hearts to become activated? How do we expect to have that connection with Allah and we don't know anything about it? The only source of information that we have of Allah are His names and His attributes. We don't learn it in order to start debating online. No, it is to get Him to know better. And the more you do, my brothers and my sisters, the more you will feel that touch, that connection, the sweetness and the contentment that you are so crying out for. You know, when you're in the prayer, one of the common questions that I get on Fitnagram is, I don't feel that connection. Please advise me. How can I feel that touch with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala?